Good morning guys, and welcome to another beautiful day here in Koh Tao. Today I have booked something called a Koh Tao Boat Tour. Basically you have this boat that goes around the whole island, and then at each and every like awesome snorkeling point you go and snorkel there. So right now I'm really hungry and I need to go and get some breakfast. Getting myself one of these pancakes. It's called a Nutella pancake, and basically what they do is they make this nice sweet and sour type of pancake, and then on top of it they put Nutella, so it's like Nutella on the outside and salt and sweet on the inside. Ooh, this is gonna be good. The Koh Tao Boat Tour is 600 baht per person, and they give you this little pink thread, like for us Indians it's called a rakhi. And that's what tells them that yeah, you're part of the boat tour.
Everybody come close to me, you're gonna sit down. Amazing Thailand. Alright, so my name is Mr. Koh, his name Mr. Wang. Today you gotta go with hand. You go with hand, see diamond number 7. Today first stop we gotta go to the Shark Bay. Second stop is at Outlook. Number 3 stop is at Hinwan Bay. Number 4 spot is there we gotta call the Manga Bay. Is that you gotta stay with hand. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And we are off. Our first stop is a place called Shark Bay, and we're being told that there should be sharks and huge turtles in the water, so I'm really excited to see that. So Dom recommended I get one of these to get those sick overwater and underwater shots, so I really need to try this out.
How you feeling?
Good! I just hope like water doesn't go into my ears, man. Got my cool new gadget. Okay, let's do this. Our first dive there at Shark Bay wasn't all that much, because like when you look underwater all the coral is dead. Kind of sad, because I mean there's a lot of I guess snorkeling action and boats and stuff all. Dude, what you think?
Loved it. Raj was there, made my day.
Hello guys, this is Heo Bay. I pay 40 minutes.
We are at our third stop of the day, and I'm actually really enjoying this. We have the whole sea to ourselves. We're basically the only boat doing the tour, which is really awesome, because like 4, 5, 6, 10 at max snorkelers at a time. Just finished the third snorkel, and that was the best snorkel of all of them. So we've got some lunch and now we eat. Whew, my muscles though. We've got good lunch, we've got good weather and a good view.
I have beer 60 baht, 40 baht.
And he has beer for 60 baht. I think one of the really cool things is when you go and do your paddy and then after that go and do your snorkel, like snorkeling instantly becomes so much more easier because you've learned techniques like how to clear your glasses underwater and how to like breathe really calmly and just keeping yourself aware of what's around you and everything. So doing your paddy actually really helps with snorkeling. Man, I am loving these rock formations. They look so cool. We're now at Mango Bay and the water here looks a little bit rough compared to the other stops. The other stops look like they were swimming pools, to be honest. The water here just in general is so calm, which is just, it's crazy how calm that water is. Dude, you got a backflip for the vlog, man. You got the tattoo, dude. You got a backflip. Okay, cool.
Fuck it, I'll try.
Just be careful, bro.
Oh, fuck. I'll do a cartwheel.
Oh!
Nah, bitch down.
Sick. We're going. Oh my gosh, my hair is in such a mess right now. I want to go and see what's on the top. Can I go up? I want to go and sit on the top of the boat and just... Ooh, yeah, I just want to sit and chill on the top of the boat because it's so beautiful. Can you guys imagine that I was about to go to Koh Phangan today and I was talking to my family back home and we were going over the list of things that I may or may have not done, and then I just remembered that I had to do the Koh Tao tour and I forgot to do it because of the whole diving stuff. So I'm so glad that I ended up staying to do this. So here's a quick tip. For you new travelers out there, if you guys are planning your trip with an itinerary, don't be afraid to move stuff here and there. It could be a good idea to switch your itinerary up so that you can accommodate other stuff that you may want to do on your trip. Guys, I don't know if you can see that, but every time this thing keeps spraying water, there's like a rainbow that forms over there. That's so cool. What? Like somewhere there it is, there it is. We have now just made our way to this place called Koh Nang Yuan, which is basically 3 islands which are connected by a strip of beach. How cool is that? Like, what? Look at this. So you have that island, and then you have the strip of beach, then you have that island, and then right behind that is another strip of beach connecting to that one. Talk about wonders, man. In order to actually get onto this island, you have to pay 100 baht, so we had to pay an extra 100 baht.
20
Kappa. Guys, look at those fish. What?
Here too.
Dude, damn, it's like a whirlpool of fish. Oh my god. So game plan is we want to head to the top of this island somewhere about there and then get some awesome Instagram photos. I've got to say the water here is so clear, you can just see all the rocks and all the coral just inside the water. So it begins. The hike to the viewpoint. You know the thing with viewpoints, they're just like waterfalls. It's like getting to them is so hard with the hikes, but when you get to them, it kind of feels like this. gonna miss you. Bye-bye. Oh man, that was a really good time there. And we have made it to the end of our trip. This is 95% of backpacking. You're always figuring out where you need to eat. And here's the problem. So some of the places you may visit like one day and you really enjoy. When you go back another day, it ends up being closed. So that's really one of the pains here in Koh Tao.
One spoon. How much would it be from this and from this?
Yeah, one spoon. 20.
Yeah, you have to try, man.
I ain't trying that stuff,
You're
dude.
trying that stuff.
Nope.
You're trying
Nope.
that stuff. Go for it. Yeah, everybody go for it. Cheers.
Mario. Got it.
Oh man.
Really?
That was worth that.
What's it
That was
like?
mine was actually quite okay. You just have to chew it properly. It's
Yeah,
like
but
super boring.
It's like the consistency. It's like
You have to chew it like
The molars,
like,
probably.
Oh man, bro.
I got a picture.
You want to try? No, you try. You try.
Nah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
and I.
Oh my gosh.
I'll take the camera.
Like, don't even think it. Like, and put it to your. Don't put it on your tongue. Put it on the side of your mouth and bite. Like.
Dude, I can't do this, man.
You can do it. Like, don't be a dick.
You'll get the worms after it.
Like, we do it together. Come, we do it
Can I
together.
like pay you guys 100 baht each and not eat the shit?
Yeah,
You can.
yeah, you can.
Me too, though.
We do it together. Come on.
Okay.
Cheers and come. 3, 2, 1.
You
Don't be
do
a
it.
bitch.
Your Thailand bloods. Fuck it. Yo.
Chew it.
Oh.
Yo, wait, it kind of tastes good.
Right?
Then why'd you spit it
I
out?
like it. I just don't know it.
So I want some Popeye chicken.
Okay. I can finally say I tried an insect in Thailand. Blah.
Does it look good?
It tasted good at the start, but I can't believe I'm saying that. It tasted good at the start, but then the aftertaste was so nasty. So I guess you can check off eating insects off the bucket list. Wasn't even on the bucket list.
But yeah.
Alright guys, so now I'm just heading back to the hostel and I need to get some editing done because whoa, the amount of backlog that there is right now, it's terrible. It's so terrible. I feel so guilty. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I'll call that the end of the vlog and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Fan of the day.